Okay, what we are looking at are my little seedlings, and I don't think they're all going to make it. I hope they do, but I will show you. First, these are the shallots that I did, and they are not standing up like they were. I turned the heating mat off because I took them outside and I'm trying to acclimate them to normal temperatures. The room is a little warm, so that's why I turned the heating mat off. But I don't know. I don't know if they're supposed to bud or not, or show any leaves. But these are the sweet bell pepper that I planted, my seedlings. Some have sprouted, and these are the little codling leaves on them, and they look to be doing pretty nicely. I don't have 100% germination on these. As you can see, some of the cells are empty, but you know, that's kind of expected on most of them. And I planted 2 seeds in each of these trays, so you'll see where there's only one seed that germinated in each one, which is interesting actually. And I think I'm covering up the mic, but I apologize for that. I'm filming this with my phone. The next one is my super sweet, what is that? I can't even see it. Oh, my super sweet tomatoes. Does that say tomatoes, or what does that say? Yes, my super sweet tomatoes. Some of them have sprouted, however, they're all looking kind of sickly. So I think I'm going to have to start those over. And you can tell that some of that has moist soil, and that's moist, but I don't know why there's a difference in the coloring. I don't know. It's all the same soil, so that's interesting. So I'll have to redo those as well. Next are my yellow sweet onion. Those are looking kind of peaked. They are not standing up as they once were. I think it was because they were used to the heat mat as well. So, and again, you can see that all of the cells, the seeds that were in all of those cells did not germinate. Next are the green onions. Some of those are still standing, and they were doing quite well. I had almost 100% germination in there with some of those seeds, and I'm hoping that they make it. So those are going to be my, what do you call them? I guess some people call them bunching onions, but they are, the green onions. Now, I only had 5 seed trays, so I opted to do some in cups. And here's what's the biggest surprise. I should not have done carrots in these solo cups, because with carrots, because the codling leaves are so delicate, you are supposed to direct start them. But I didn't, so I know I'm going to have to do these. So, and as you can see, there's nothing in there, so that was a bust. My turnip seeds, they all sprouted, but they're all laying down as well, so not sure what happened there, so I'm going to have to start those over. That's a little disappointing. But here's what I am getting really surprised about. These are squash seeds, the straight neck squash. I planted 4, but it looks like only 3 sprouted. and they are doing quite well. I'm really surprised by that. Here's what is just really going to surprise you. These are sugar sweet snap peas. Super sweet sugar snap peas. They have sprouted, and I did 4, or it looks like I did 5. And they have all sprouted, and I am just super, super excited about those. And I am also super duper excited about these. These are my green bean, what do you call them? They are called, bush beans. They have popped out so much that they have unburied themselves. And I think I did 4 or 5 beans, and just, it's like overnight they have just erupted, and it is just absolutely amazing. So I'm super excited about those as well. So that is pretty much it. This is my first time doing any type of gardening, and this is what I have inside. So I will show you some onions, some Texas super sweet onions that I have outside. Hold on just a moment. Okay, so these are some onions that I got from Dixondale Farms, and I planted these yesterday, and I am hoping that they take off as well. So these are the Texas Super Sweet onions that I have planted, and I'm hoping that they bulb and we get some yummy big Texas size onions, because I put onions in a lot of the dishes that I make. We're trying to do this urban homestead. I would like to grow all of the vegetables that we eat, and if everything goes well with the vegetables, I'm going to venture into growing our I almost pronounced it like my sister used to when she was younger. Venture into growing our fruit as well. But I'm excited about starting this new venture and this new chapter in our lives. So I would appreciate if you would tag along with us and learn as we learn. And this may be something that you would like to do as well. So stay tuned for the next video, and hope to see you soon. Thanks.